Good job. I, for one, will take the stairs. And so will you.
I wasn't gonna get yelled at for jumping the gun.
True. We've arrived at Dale with Thomas, and look, it's Thomas. All wet, but it's cornhole. Okay, go. Crap. How you aim it so perfectly? So you win.
Ooh, that's sauce.
It's wood.
It is wood.
Gross.
Shake weight.
It's gross wood.
What? You like the sauce?
No, it's Thumper. It's Thumper. Oh. Oh. Tattoos. Well, I mean, like, they weren't... Those are just blocks. The party thing. Oh, hey. It's the color changers. Wait, all the water's the same, isn't it? Yep. All the water's the same. That's cool, though. Whoa, look at that paintbrush. And Diesel. Yes! I can lose to Connect 4. Let's see.
That's impressive. And that's how I thought that would go.
Nice. One more try. Alright. I also... The paintboard? Oh, okay. We'll see if the footage turns out good. We'll start it. I can't wait to release this. Alright. I win. Let's go. Yeah. It's dead. Rest in peace. Definitely need a photo with Dead Gordon. But before we do that, we gotta check out James. That's where you board the train. So we could wait in that line after, I bet. That's why we'll wait in that line. Gordon. Gordon. Tattoos, Thomas showed up. But yeah, Percy. And let's There he is. But yeah, Thomas showed up. Right. Yeah. It's, yeah, like that. Yeah, I bet you can't do that with Percy. He doesn't have a middle wheel. I mean, it's slower. Not as good as the number one. We're moving slightly backwards. I thought a conductor would come in or something.
If I remember correctly, the Thomas isn't the functional train, it's long backwards.
Yeah, you're right. This is the part of video everyone records and everyone skips through. Ooh! Look at the train. What is that? Yeah, there's like a... Oh, there's a crane. And a little diesel.
Is there a plane in there?
Planes, cranes, and trains. Yeah, now we gotta see a plane. Alright, airport, pier. Oh, there's a truck. American Gas, not... Scenic. I don't know, what if we get lucky enough to see a plane? And there is what we call an abandoned coach. On an abandoned track. And there's another train. That's... And there's more abandoned cargo. And wheels. And hey, look, it's the same crane.
That was a little broke.
There's a tender for a steam engine.
He's so sick to live.
There's a coach. There's a little baby crane. Up there goes the scrap yard. So past this point, they decided to play All Engines Go music, which I can't play for you guys. So instead, or scrap. I'm just gonna play some classic Thomas song, and they will just be silent. And they got rid of the Toby song, so I gotta cut it.
North of the island, there lives a dear old train. A little twelve-engine Toby is his name. He's quaint and old-fashioned, but careful and wise. His coach is Henrietta, and she's seen better days. His mind keeps returning to the good old days when they were busy working every day. But nobody rides with them nowadays. They can't understand why things have changed. Their line is closing down today forever. Toby, oh Toby, what will become of you? The world's much nicer whenever we see you. Toby, dear Toby, there's still lots that you can do. Oldies but goldies, we still care about you. All of the children came to say goodbye. They clapped and cheered as Toby rang his bell bye-bye. Everyone was sad to see them go. Whatever will they do, and where will they go? Suddenly news came to brighten up their day. How Toby and Henrietta were needed right away. The fat controller had written to say, could they please come and help right away? Now they're part of his family forever. Toby, oh
Alright, real quick guys, I just want to say the train stopped here because it was turning around, so it's kind of just a still image for a little bit, just kind of ignore it, and we'll get back.
Life is full of surprises, full of ups and downs, and so to have a silver lining, first there must be cloud. Bill and Ben, the twins, work together all day long. They sometimes disagree how things are done. They get down in the dumps if things they do don't work out just as planned. But if at first you don't succeed, then understand. There's no sense in worrying if things start going wrong. Obstacles can all be overcome. But even Bill and Ben both agree that in the end, if you never lose hope, you're sure to cope and carry on. Every cloud is silver lined, even when it rains. So don't get too downhearted, as things are bound to change. All you gotta do is wear a smile, and you will find your sun will shine. So if you've got a job to do, make sure you do it well. Arguing will get you nowhere fast. When Bill says push, Ben says pull, they always get it wrong. But never lose hope, you're sure to cope and carry on. Every cloud is silver lined, even when it rains. So don't get too downhearted, as things are bound to change. All you gotta do is wear a smile, and you will find your sun will shine. Everybody makes mistakes, it happens all the time. You should never lose sight of your goal. Just like Bill and Ben, things will work out in the end. If you never lose hope, you're sure to cope and carry on. When you're feeling down, it doesn't help to wear a frown. You never lose hope, you're sure to cope and you can carry on. Every cloud is silver lined to help you on your way. As long as there's hope, it'll help you cope. You must never lose hope, it'll help you along the way. Picture a land where the sky is so blue, storybook land of wonder, magical island just waiting for you. Island of Sodor will make your dreams come true. Imagine a place where the sun always smiles, the valleys are green as can be. The friends that you love are waiting for you. Island of Sodor, make your dreams come true. Children, follow the dream to a land of make-believe. The island of Sodor, magical land where dreams come true. Follow the road that leads to your dream, over the hills and mountains. look for the skies with stars in their eyes. Island of Sodor will make your dreams come true. Children, follow the dream to a land of make-believe. The island.
How do you just casually do that? Is it alright? It's the travel badge that I've heard so much about. This was the travel badge. It was just a sticker. Wow.
Because some of the tickets are online. They can't.
Oh wait, Thomas is over there with the line. Donuts instead. His eyes aren't moving. It's creepy. Also, we got donuts. Delicious. Oh, okay. Let's play hopscotch. Through the bubbles. There's no other logical way. Bubble wall. Hopscotch. All right.
All kinds of bubbles.
10 out of 10. How's it going, Shorty?
One more time. One more time with the camera. All right. Last shot. All right. Winner. Maybe if they ever make an All Engines Go costume, he'll look bigger. Oh, what's this?
Your memory is shockingly good.
Oh, I watched the video last night.
I was like, specifically only about conflict.
Well, yeah, it's my fandom. You know, you learn things about your fandom, you know. Oh, hey, Gordon's normal. About to get a photo. After the gift shop, of course. After my day out with Thomas 2023.
You have no money.
Hey, we're looking now, buying later. Is what my depressing logic is. I guess it's this way. Goodness. They do have an AEG bag. They also have a model layout with the toys. They have Pez. Bridge lifts gift set. They're 2, they're 4, what? Oh, they're
Gucci.
There's some wooden. Let's go. They brought back the Day Out with Thomas blankets.
And ball.
Oh, wait, that doesn't have Day Out with Thomas branding. Boo. Yo. What is this?
It's for holding.
It's creepy. Now this is also very. Okay, now this is a keeper. Oh, hey. I gotta get this. I don't have that. It's like the first thing here I don't have. Hey, look. AEG, Annie and Clarabelle, and the mini. Sad. Oh, there he is. I'll be getting you soon. Where's the... You think they got last year's? Oh. Right here. Might get a second one for eBay, maybe. They got, oh, last year I got it in Wubba. Now I got AG.
Mini.
Ugly, scary plushies. What else? They got Talking Nia. The mains. Just the stock standard. I haven't seen them in a while though.
And rails.
And then back to the best one. Oh hey. Yeah, that's the gift shop, I guess.
I like that.
Where's the thing? Oh. Do you figure it out? No. No. You can do it, Alex. You got it. Very hard. It's 2 circles. But where's the price? Yeah, I love my favorite floating track, Alex.
It's
actually fairly.
kind of funny that it says colorful and then it's in black and white.
Yeah. They also got all their other events here. Oh, hey. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed the Day Out with Thomas vlog thing. Yeah. See you later. Bye.